Hours of debating U.S. senators worked late into the night. Just before 10 o'clock our time, they passed the first major rewrite of the U.S. tax code in 31 years.
But the GOP tax bill is not quite a done deal on Capitol Hill. The House of Representatives will have to vote again tomorrow. The House approved it earlier today, but a few hours later, Democrats stated 3 provisions in the bill violate Senate rules. The Senate then had to debate a revised version. That's the one that they passed.
GOP leaders aren't expecting any problems, but Democrats are concerned about the implications of the bill.
We're confident this will work, and we're prepared to take that argument to the American people next fall.
This bill truly is a tax scam that will rob middle-class families to pay for corporate tax breaks.
President Trump is pleased with tonight's vote. In a tweet, he says if the plan is approved in the House tomorrow morning, he'll hold a White House press conference shortly after. And here is an example of how the GOP tax plan would impact a family of 4 in San Diego. Keep in mind they make $150,000, have 2 children, own a home, and have itemized deductions that total at least $22,000. According to CNN Money, they would save an estimated $3,500 in federal income taxes.